everybody, welcome to the Cookbook Kitchen, the home of cookbook recipes with me, Carol. Karibu sana. So today we are going to cook from the Plum Paradox Cookbook by Dr. Gundry. It has become a common book here, so it's not new. We are going to try and make dried fig truffles. That's what we are going to try and make. So there's no picture in the book. So let's give this recipe a picture and we see. The book says that the dried figs are very delicate and can easily break. So let's hope for the best. Let's hope for the best. And it says that it tastes delicious. So that's why we are here to try it out. We have our figs over here. They're dried figs. Some rosemary. Zest of orange, chopped bittersweet chocolate, 72% cacao, yeah, a piping bag. That's what we're going to use to fill in our figs. Some coconut cream, some hot water that we are going to use to soak our figs for around 20 minutes. So let's start by soaking our figs for 20 minutes. Then I'll be back after 20 minutes to continue with our process. Then soak there, then wait and see. I've finished soaking my figs and I've drained the water. The next thing is to dry them with a kitchen towel. I'm going to let them stay here for some time as we go to the next step. Our next step is making our mixture that we're going to fill our dried figs, our coconut cream, our rosemary, then our zest of orange, we're going to mix our mixture. Until it starts to simmer, then we will add our chocolate. I'm going to put my chocolate mixture in this cold water so that it can help it cool down quickly. There. Now the next step is just stuffing or filling our figs. The figs are here. We've dried them. Hopefully that's enough. And then to the next step. Now we are going to fill our piping bag with the chocolate mixture, and then wow guys, we are going to stuff the figs. This is the top and this is the bottom. This small hole is perfect for our stuffing. One thing you need to make sure is that the tip for your pastry bag is really small. I hope you can see mine. I hope mine is small enough. Let's try before we even stuff anything. It's here. It's perfect. It's so perfect. Look, this is our hole. This is our tip for the piping bag, and it fits perfectly. So you need a really small one that it can fit. So let's put our chocolate mixture over here and then we stuff. the games begin. This is our first attempt to stuff. Our kahol is here. So we bring our tip over here. It's coming out. Oh my goodness. Are we even doing anything? I don't know. I don't think I'm doing anything. Okay, what am I supposed to do? Am I supposed to lift it a bit? Or what? Or we massage it a bit? Like this, eh? Oh Lord. Oh Lord. Oh Lord. Okay. Let's try it again. We'll see. Oh, whoa. Yeah. This other side, I think now it's coming out. I don't even know. I'm supposed to stuff it for how long, or to what, whatever. Let's leave this one at that. Let's try another one. Here we go. Let's see. Oh God! No. Hey, Jay. Let me have a seat. This is work. Oh, this is work. Aye? Yeah. Stuffing these things is becoming challenging. Now, I've just got an idea. I'll use a chopstick. This is my chopstick. And try and create a kamwanya. Create some space, and try and whatever this thing is, like this, what is whatever. See if I can create some space inside. Okay, let's see if now this will work. There's a bit of space. Now we put our piping bag. See if we have done anything better. Oh no. Oh, what are these? Look at that. That is my first one that I think I've stuffed better. Whoa. Wow, this is nice. This one looks nice. The other ones, they need prayers. Like this one. This one needs prayers. Hey. It's not easy. But this whatever, a trick of using the chopstick is helping a bit to creating some space inside. Well, let me tell you, stuffing these things is not a joke. Look at my hands. Just look at my hands. And then I think I've done my best of all that I've stuffed. Look at this beauty. I think this is the best. It looks so nice, so full. The others are a case study, but it's okay. The book told us in advance that some will not look good and others will look good, so I'm not worried about the look. It's the taste. They taste delicious, so let's wait and see if they taste delicious. So once you finish stuffing, you're going to let them sit. You're going to let them set for 6 to 8 hours at room temperature, or 2 to 4 hours in the refrigerator. I'll put mine in the refrigerator, then I'll be back to show you the end result. I'm back with clean hands, but I don't have the dried figs yet. So I just came here to tell you something. This is our mixture, the first one that we put in our piping bag, and still we have some left. And this is what is left in our pan. So the mixture is a lot. So if you're trying to make them with the same number of figs that the book recommends, I would recommend you maybe half. You make the mixture half of the mixture. So just check everything in the book, the quantities and everything, because I have a lot. This plus what is in this piping bag, I think they can stuff 2 more batches of exactly the same number of figs, yes, that are in the book. My people, our truffles are ready. Where stuffing these things is not a joke. Hands up. They are here. Then of all the ones that I stuffed, the one that I can pick out that came out well is which one? Where is it? This one. I think this one. I think this one came out well. And others are having their own shape. Like, what is this even? What is this? Like, seriously, what is this? What shape is this? Seriously, who does that? This is what the book says, that you will have some ugly ones, but they taste delicious. So when it comes to the tasting, that's where we are going to see if they taste delicious. So we should not maybe judge them by their looks. Let's not judge them by their looks. Let's be patient and taste, then see. So I want us to cut one of them so that we can see how it looks inside. Then we taste them. Oh God. Wow. Yo! Got the chocolate inside. The seeds. Juicy. Wow. We're going to taste half first. It's a small piece. We don't have to throw the whole thing in our mouth. Oh my goodness. Okay. Mm. Mm. Wow, guys, don't be deceived by the looks, the ugliness. Okay, there's some that really discourage you. But they look like, seriously, look at this. It doesn't even have a shape. But don't let the looks deceive you. They taste really nice. The sweetness in the figs brings in a nice balance of flavor, because remember our mixture has chocolate that is 72% cacao. So the sweetness of the figs and the mixture of the chocolate, the coconut cream and the orange zest plus the rosemary, the balance is just delicious. It's really nice. But the work of stuffing these things is a lot. But that hack of using chopstick, yes, that hack of using chopstick, that's what really helped me, because now I was able to create some space inside and be able to stuff. But be very careful, because you can easily poke some holes down here. So the mixture, as you continue to stuff, the mixture will be pouring out on the other side. That's it for today. Remember, we were cooking from the Plum Paradox Cookbook by Dr. G. The most challenging thing about this recipe was stuffing the figs. This is not an easy task. It's a lot of work, but all in all, they turned out perfect. They are sweet, they are delicious, and it's worth all the hassle. Bye bye and God bless.